Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This morning in one of my classes, a Ukrainian student of mine was running slightly late. And she joined the class on Zoom on her phone because she was driving. She was on her way from the school where she works back to her house. And as she was driving, she went past a hotel in the centre of her city that has basically been completely bombed out. And out of the window of the car, we could see the kind of ruined shell of the hotel. It got hit during a recent bout of Russian shelling. And she told us this story about her husband, who'd been staying in a hotel at that point for work, a couple of blocks away from the hotel that was bombed. And she said that even though the bombing must have been massive because the destruction was quite large and it happened at night, he didn't wake up and he didn't hear any of this. Basically, he slept right through the whole attack. She was then joking, saying, he's a very heavy sleeper, my husband. If you sleep through something, you basically sleep and don't wake up. So if you sleep through the attack, maybe other people wake up, people are panicking, people are hiding in the shelters. You, in the morning, you wake up, someone tells you the hotel nearby was destroyed, and you think, that's funny, I didn't hear anything. We have a joke in English that if someone's a really heavy sleeper, they could sleep through the end of the world and not know about it. Sometimes students who are late for class might use this expression as an excuse. Sorry I'm late, I slept through my alarm. And sometimes it's when you're talking about things that happened during the night. So maybe someone said, God, did you hear that storm last night? The thunder was crazy and all of that lightning. Oh, was there a big storm? I didn't realise. I must have slept right through it. Or maybe, if you live somewhere like where I do, in North London, sometimes at night there might be some kind of commotion going on in the streets. Maybe the police are called or something. The neighbours ask you, oh, did you see all that trouble in the street last night? No, I slept right through it. I was completely oblivious. And we also use it if you're really, really exhausted. So maybe if you're shattered at the end of a long working week, you might go to bed at 10 o'clock and sleep through until midday the following day. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use sleep through.